This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2026, and this is the New York pre-market. Now, let's get into it. Bitcoin slumps to a 6-month low amid geopolitical tensions, and the S&P 500 is trading higher in pre-market as investors brace for a busy week of economic data.
The S&P 500 is at 745.64, up 0.39%. The Nasdaq 100 is at 717.54, up 0.42%. The Dow Jones is at 506.12, up 0.60%. Top gainers include Bain, up 9,900%, Naka, up 4,265.94%, and EUR, up 2,643.19%. Top losers include Augur, down 99.99%, F5WS, down 99.80%, and IPOFWS, down 99.77%. The technology sector is leading with a 1.00% gain, followed by healthcare at 1.17%. The communication services sector is lagging, down 0.55%.
Cypher, anything on earnings and filings today?
No major earnings reports today, but there are several SEC filings. Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, Inc., Octave Intelligence plc, Nuv Holding Corp., Calavo Growers, Inc., and Editors Medicine, Inc., have all filed 8Ks. Dividend announcements include Fee at 40 cents, Min at 50 cents, AIMP at $1, USLM at 60 cents, and Megi at 12 cents. All X dates are May 22.
Pulse, what's the macroeconomic picture? The Fed funds rate is at 3.62%. The 2-year Treasury yield is at 4.08%, and the 10-year is at 4.57%. The yield curve is flat, with a spread of 0.43 percentage points. Inflation remains above target, with CPI at 3.78% year-over-year. Non-farm payrolls added 158,736 jobs month-over-month. The unemployment rate is at 4.30%. The dollar is at 119.28 on the trade-weighted index, up 0.61% week-over-week. Spectre, anything on the risk radar?
Risk Desk reports no elevated signals today.
Apex, what's the look ahead?
Watch dollar-yen as it remains range-bound amid Fed and geopolitical risks. Monitor euro-dollar for ECB policy signals. The VIX at 16.7 suggests extreme fear, which could be a contrarian indicator. The S&P 500 is trading higher in pre-market, and the Nasdaq 100 is showing positive momentum. Bitcoin is under pressure, but gold remains a safe haven. Tomorrow, focus on the ISM Manufacturing PMI, PCE Price Index, and the RBNZ rate decision. The single most important thing to watch: the Fed's rate path and how markets are pricing in potential hikes.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the New York session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.